ukuthi that's an opinion, sure. Yabo, but abangizwile nkosami most bangizwile, yabo. Abanye-ke abangangizwa-ke, angazi noma bahalele nongizwa. Ya, sengibuyile ephathini, sengisendlini. Iphathi ayikapheli. Iphathi ukuthi sihambile sina because athi singafuna ukuhlosha ama-Uber. Iqiniso impela. How was about the party was nice, the food. It was so organized, like everything was amazing. The reason izinto ezingafani is because we're living different timelines. Yabona into eshoyo iqiniso, but nami ngishilo ayiwona amanga, nami ngishilo iqiniso. So don't say mina ngishilo ayilona iqiniso, because when uzothini the reason sinezinto engafani is because we're living in different lines. Lokho leso statement oshoyo ungasithatha usiphendula ukuthi ingoba uNkulunkulu usibusise ngendlela engafani. Azu mangizwani. Usazoyikhipha iweave. I feel better. I'm not even joking. I feel better. Ngikhiphe lelo ntuzana ibhandle lebelela ngaqaqa nala emuva nalokhu. Ngasinganyusa ipentehouse ngibeka mama la. I feel better. The only thing you feel like ile close work sengiyazibuza ukuthi yes, Isaiah 60:20, when the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen. Iyazichaza nje Nkosi yami. Iyazichaza. The party was nice. The party was nice. I keep you with. I'm going to send him an weave gel. But the installation is, guys, niseni to book up installation salon yami. Udanya kekho. Udanya mangifuna ukuthi angene kwi-live, kumele ngimtshele ukuthi Danya ngena kwi-live. Lingena phi iBhayibheli manje? Ngilifake phi iBhayibheli? Ngikuphendulile kwi-statement sakho, and then ngase ngaphendula ivesi umuntu ade libhalile. Azande baby, azande. Story time sakho noDanya nahlangana nje. Sahlangana la ku-TikTok, asikho story time esicashile esinjani, sahlangana nje la ku-TikTok ba-comments. Sathi sayilanda kwi-DM phela. Azale sicela usenzele ama-clip